Hey, today from your friendly heavy metal IT guy, what's the deal with zero-day vulnerabilities? So what is a zero-day vulnerability? A zero-day vulnerability is still at heart a vulnerability. It's just not known to the people who need to know. It's a dirty little secret. As the name suggests, it's all about the timing.
If a vulnerability is discovered in the forest but nobody is there to exploit it, is it still a zero-day vulnerability?
A zero-day vulnerability is a vulnerability in a system or device that has been discovered but has not yet been patched. An exploit that attacks a zero-day vulnerability the same day is called a zero-day exploit. That's greasy. Does the vendor know about the vulnerability? Perhaps, but maybe not. You see, it's in the nature of how the vulnerability is discovered. Legit security researchers discover vulnerabilities and keep it on the down low by only letting the vendor know so they can fix the problem and then issue a patch. However, oftentimes a malicious actor finds a vulnerability before the researchers or the vendors can. Oh yeah. The attacker will not disclose the vulnerability to anyone and begin to develop exploit software. Vulnerability open, exploit code available. Ripe for a data breach, remote code execution, etc., etc. After the bad actor releases the exploit, the vulnerability eventually gets recognized, but this discovery process can take days, or worse, even months. Once the patch is written and published, the exploit is no longer a zero-day exploit. As always patch and do those updates. Make it better and move it forward.